Okay, so I'm gonna do an unboxing today. This is from Heimish. Let me show you. Hold on. Not the little spaghetti. Why do I look older? I think it's the lipstick. Okay, so I don't know what this brand sent me. I didn't even know they were gonna send me anything, so we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Skincare. I think it's skincare. Oh, makeup or both. Ooh, wait, I think I know. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is a watermelon moisture soothing gel cream. So I just love their packaging. This is a gel cream. So this is just cream, regular cream. I've never heard of gel cream before, but this is how the box looks, the packaging, the ingredients. Okay, wait, I'm kind of scared because I feel like this is gonna be too intense for my sensitive skin, but we'll see. So this is Korean skincare brand. I've tried their cleanser, their cleansing balm. I like it so far. My skin hasn't reacted back to it. So what else have I tried? I have their sunscreen. I haven't tried this one. I totally forgot. I always forget to wear SPF. It's annoying. I know I'm bad at using skincare. Okay, so ooh, I think I saw somebody I follow unbox this, so I was excited. I was like, I kind of need it because of how it looks. So it looks very pretty. I think it is pretty pink inside. I'm not sure, I forgot, but it's definitely not white. I think this does have color to it. The packaging is very girly. It's pretty. It's just so pretty. Okay, let me just tiny bit. I'm just gonna open it a tiny bit because I don't want to use it right now and it's gonna expire quickly, but I just need to. I just kind of tiny bit. Okay, so let me. Okay, finally I opened it. So let me open it. Okay. Oh, never mind. It's kind of, oh, this is smell like watermelon. I was getting too excited. I thought, oh, it's gonna smell like candy, like fruity. No, it doesn't smell like anything, so that's even better because it's skincare. So ooh, somebody dug their finger there, or their 3 fingers. I hope it was not nobody's man's pee-pee. Small little pee-pee that stuck it here, because it looks like bigger than 3 fingers. That's kind of scary because I don't trust people when they sew stuff and it's already open, or like it just looks like somebody opened it, right? I'm not exaggerating. If it was just a little bit, like a hole, but this is like a big hole, like somebody actually put something in there. Oh well, I just hope it melted and nobody touched it, because this is going on my face and I don't want an allergic reaction. Oops, I got everywhere. So okay, it's just doesn't smell like anything, so I'm happy about it, because like I said, I don't like super sensitive stuff. Like, yeah, so you're gonna like me if you have sensitive skin, because that's all I talk about. Okay, so oh crap. Okay, the next thing is ooh, a lip gloss. This is in the color sheer red. Okay, I think I remember choosing this. I'm not sure, probably not. There's some things that I wanted that they didn't have, so I can remember. It's been a long time. They took forever. Somebody sent me an email. Okay, that brand. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's kind of like a dual chrome packaging. It's red. Yeah, I already know I love red lipstick, red everything. So let's see. This is a natural color and gloss gel type of glow liquid lip gloss. Okay, so it's kind of pigmented. In the picture it looked very sheer, so it's not gonna be like this lipstick I have on. You're not gonna be able to tell that you have red gloss, if that makes sense. It's not gonna be super intense like this bottle, like this color. This looks like it's like this kind of, but no, trust me, in the pictures it was very sheer. Ooh, this smells like watermelon. It smells like fruity, like natural fruity, not like those chemical what's the word, artificial, that it smells very. So I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, never mind, this is very pigmented. I thought it was gonna be I kind of did an ombre. That's cool. So it is pigmented. I was tripping out. I think it was another picture I saw. I don't know, but I remember it didn't look super pigmented on the models. I don't know. So let's see. When I test it out, I'm gonna show you how it looks on my lips. I can right now. So yeah. So far I think I chose good color wise. It's a pretty intense lip gloss. So they have like pink and clear. I think for people that are not intense lip wearers, but me, like, I love red, so I don't care. Okay, yay. The last thing is my hair is so long that I don't always get stuck. Okay, so this is their matcha biome. I don't know Korean, so don't judge. This is redness relief hydrating toner. So I don't need this. Actually I do. No, I already have a toner that Style Vanna sent me, which is like another Korean platform, so it is Korean skincare, but I love the packaging. But this one is for redness relief, which I do have a lot of redness because of my PIH skin, so that might help. This product might help with that. I don't freaking know. Still, I'm gonna try it out maybe once to see if I like it. So let me zoom. Hold up. I mean focus. So these are the ingredients, if y'all can see, because okay, this is in English. Okay, this is Korean. Okay, and ooh, it looks so pretty. It looks kind of like men's deodorant. No, men's something that they would use. I don't know what they use. Well, I do, but I don't think they would use this, but it looks like they would just because of how it looks, the packaging. Okay, where are the ingredients? Oh, I just showed you. So this is calming and hydrating, and it has a pH 5.5. Okay, so this and all that. Okay, so let me. Okay, I can't smell anything, but this is close. So it looks like it's gonna be clear like the other one I use. It looks very liquidy, watery. I feel like this is gonna work well for my skin. I just feel it's good for sensitive skin. I don't know. Wait, let me check. Okay. Oh, it farted on me. The poop, like a little bubble came out, and I just heard that. That's cute. It doesn't. Oh, it kind of smells like Fruit Loops. I don't know why it smells like candy, like cereal. It smells like cereal, but this supposedly is matcha, which I don't know how it smells like, how it tastes like, because I don't eat that. I just eat regular food. I don't eat these fancy foods that people eat now. But let me just kind of put some a little bit on my hands. So, oh no, it's kind of like the other one that is kind of slimy, but not really. I feel like, wait, no, I know it is liquidy. It smells like Fruit Loops. I'm not lying. That's crazy. So matcha tastes like Fruit Loops because it smells good, like sweet. All right. So far, my hand is not itchy. It feels very, very thin. So I'm liking this box so far. So that's pretty much for this one. I'm not gonna be able to try it out. No, y'all can't see me. I've heard that if your phone is always out of focus, zooms in and out, is because there's like a demon or like a ghost. Oh, I look pretty today. Not me being extra confident. Oh, wait. Okay, bye.